Hey everybody, so I'm here in the Philippines now. Been gone for a couple of weeks, and I have made up some TEX Mex. So we're gonna have Gisa, a Filipino, 100%. She's gonna try this out, and we're gonna get her opinion of what she thinks about homemade TEX Mex food. I'm gonna make some tacos. I made some salsa to go with it. So we'll see what her opinion is and what she thinks about it. There's no rice in it, so we'll see if she likes it or not. Let's check it out. Hey, good morning. How's everybody doing? Here in the Philippines, I'm cooking up some lunch, and we bought some hamburger, and I fried up some potatoes already. So it's kind of hard to find the ingredients that you need. I was wanting to find some pico de gallo, and I couldn't find it at the store. Couldn't find some taco mix sauce and that, but I did find some chili and lime. I've got salt and pepper. I got cumin seed and that. So we got this cooked up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add those potatoes back in. There we go. Got them all mixed up. And the only flour tortillas I could find were whole wheat flour tortillas. And that was in the frozen section. All right, let me kind of put this up and keep on cooking just a minute. Okay, so life here in the Philippines, we are living very frugal. And that last night we didn't go out to eat. We just had what we could. In fact, what did we eat last night? Oh. We had hot dogs, okay? That was an experience, okay? I didn't know how they sell hot dogs around here. So that was one where I was cooking, and the next thing you know it, Jesus is like, I smell plastic burning. And that, well, guess what? They wrap every individual hot dog in plastic. I was like, that's crazy, okay? So every individual hot dog in plastic, and that's how they serve it. So, well, not serve it, but that's how they sell it. And then you have to unwrap it and, cook it. So we frantically turned off the gas, and we went ahead and started trying to peel off the plastic that we got. And of course it peeled off most of the outer side of the hot dog too. But, we ate that with some rice, so everything was good. So, I need to go ahead and taste this and see what it is. I'm going to turn the heat off on it. We may have Gisa's aunt and uncle here. So I wanted to fix this. Oh, I was going to fix it anyway, but I wanted to fix it so that we can have it for them too. And if anything, they could, if they don't have time, because they live on another island, which is a little island, and so the ferry leaves at noon, and it's about maybe 11 o'clock now. So let me taste this here. I want to see if I have enough salt and pepper, chili, cumin seed, or cumin powder. I wanted to find the cumin seed, but I couldn't, so I may need to have some of that sent from the US or something, or maybe I can order it. Needs a little flavor of something. Maybe I'll try a little more chili powder. Go. And what else? Maybe a little more cumin Whoa, that's a lot. There, let's mix that all up. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Okay, got it mixing. I went ahead and turned the heat off. Got it all cooked up. We are trying to eat as frugal as possible and not going out to eat. We did that at the very beginning, but now it's like after a week being here in the Philippines, it's like, no, let's buy our food and cook. Good. I think that did it. Good texture, good taste. Maybe I could use a little more salt. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a tad of salt. Let me take a look here. Okay, no more salt. Jeez has been busy working on the website, not the website, but the YouTube channel, on making some really cool stuff for our videos and that. I hope you guys will like and subscribe, and definitely give her a thumbs up, give her a comment on some of the stuff that you're seeing that come into the thing. She'll be doing the editing and that, so it will be nice. Yes. Okay, let's pour this into the bowl, and then we will work on the tortillas. Now, I bought the ground beef at the grocery store. We got a little over a pound, like 1.1 pound, and that cost us, let's see, $1.50. No, 150 pesos. Cost us 150 pesos, which is $3. So it's like $3 a pound. I don't remember what it is back in the States. So, but that way you can kind of have an idea of what the cost of living is here in the Philippines. I don't remember what I bought the flour tortillas for. I don't think it was very much, and that may be $1 or $2 at the most. So we've got lunch ready, and let's go ahead. I'll probably have to cut up some tomatoes, and then we will eat our lunch. There it is, folks. Mexican food in the Philippines. Okay? So, let's ask, what do you think about my Mexican cooking? Is it good?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Delicious. Okay, you heard it from a Filipino that American Mexican food is delicious. It is good. I'm enjoying it. I wish I had some pico de gallo sauce to put on it, but I'm gonna have to learn how to make that, I think, myself here. and then I can have it ready to go. Woo, yes. All right, so going back to eating, you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching again. Give us thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope that we've earned your subscription. Please subscribe and come back and watch some more videos of living lifestyle in the Philippines, retire rich or poor.